Welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinla Kin. I am the lead instructor. So, guys, I want to tell you the simple way you can use TradingView to analyze binary like boom and crash. So, analyze synthetic indices on your phone based on popular demand. That's how to use TradingView to analyze synthetic markets. So, I have come up with this video. So just click on your browser, regardless of any browser you are using. Just type tradingview.binary.com. You can see it up here. Tradingview.binary.com. This is the link. Then you should click on enter. Then you should find yourself here. You can see this is volatility 25 index. The good thing about using TradingView to analyze market is that it has a lot of tools. So for better experience, you can put your phone on a landscape. Put your phone on a landscape. That is for better experience. So you can see on my left side here, you see a lot of tools. A lot of tools is available here to choose. The trend line. You know what trend line do. You can also find this on a MetaTrader. So, but these are the tools you can see. Fibonacci retracement. We have a professional experience in analyzing markets. A lot of tools is here to use. You can see head and shoulder pattern. You can find that on MetaTrader. So you see there's a lot of market to analyze to get here. So under the derivative markets, you will find volatilities. You can see volatility 10, volatility 25. Under the derivative markets, you can see boom and crash. So you can analyze markets confidently using this medium. So guys, that is that on how to use TradingView in analyzing synthetic indices markets. Always trade responsible. Thank you guys.